The reason why we haven't been posting. Alright guys, before we come for we just want to explain this to us. So yeah, the reason why we haven't been posting, I know you guys are saying that we're not consistent and stuff like that, because some of you guys text me on Instagram and you know cuss out my backside, so we're not consistent. Everyone grow, we have to be consistent. We do understand all of that, but guys, you guys have to remember that it's not only YouTube that we do for a living. Yes, we love to do YouTube, definitely love to do it, but we still have jobs separately from this. Jay have in work, me have my work, but that wasn't the reason why we weren't posting. The reason why we weren't posting is that Jay got a contract for a house. He was working on a house, and to be honest, it took up all our time, and he never there home mostly, so I just me alone there home. And then all heap of things not even get to happen, because when I realize we don't really get a Christmas vlog from we either, because in at the time that in my work, so that work take over everything. And also I didn't even get to paint the house. I get to do nothing at all for Christmas. I'm pertaining decoration for the house, because me know say Jay now have a time. I paint them, I buy everything we deal with everything in the house, and it never get to happen. Me even want to spray over the dresser. Me empty out the dresser, everything for we spray over the dresser, and nothing never get to happen because he was busy. But now that we are not busy, we're going to get back on foot. Hopefully you guys continue to support us, and I hope you guys understand. Please understand, yes, but I hope you guys understand that we were busy and we had to take care of things, because end of the day, without money, life hard, right? So if you see an opportunity come your way, you have to grab it, make use of it, and move forward. You understand? So hopefully you guys understand. Yes, we do make money from YouTube, but this was a big deal, if you don't understand. So yes, hope you guys continue to support us. Please continue to support us. When about bash if we're not consistent, now we're going to try to do our best to be consistent. So if I have to drop vlog every day, I'm going to try my best to drop vlog every day. But I have a lot of things that we're going to accomplish for this year. So I would really like you guys to tag along and, you know, just do the right thing, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please click the like button. Please and thanks. Alright? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please watch out the video, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. So a friend of mine, Gabby, big up you. So she told me about this show that she would like me to do on my channel, and trust me guys, it's a wonderful idea. So basically this idea is that you guys will be texting me your stories about your ex-past, or even your current relationship, stuff that happened in your relationship or relationship wise, whatever, some spicy story time, stuff like that. Yeah, so you guys will be texting me on Instagram at Keshin_Smith. And guys, every Wednesday, I'll be reading out your stories. And we're going to call this show Dark Confession. So each week, I'll be having a different guest on the show. So you guys can see different persons coming in, so it can be entertaining. Also, I want you guys to comment down below things that you would like to see we do in the video and stuff like that. So it's like a Dear Pastor thing, but you know, food thing over here. So it's gonna call Dark Confession. So you guys can tell me a little story time with a little ex-past and stuff like that. I will not be mentioning anybody's name in the story time that you tell me. So if you tell me to the person named John, I will give the person a different name, so the story not add up to your story. You understand? Cause me no really would have want to get back out there if nobody knows so well. And the person they said that or whatever. You understood? Yeah, because remember sometimes people watch videos will know each other but don't really know say they know each other. If you get what I say. Yeah. So that's basically what we'll be doing every Wednesday. Every Wednesday I'm gonna make sure to get that content. Dark confession show. Yeah. So you guys can stay tuned for that. So you guys just like this video, share it out if you can, and let me know if this is a good idea. And just DM me on Instagram at Keshin_Smith and we'll get the ball rolling, alright? So I'm gonna do the right thing. Let me know if you guys understand what I'm trying to explain. Because sometimes I wouldn't explain things good, trust me. But let me know. Alright, so this is my first time cooking a one-pot meal. So everybody do them thing different, remember that. So basically these are all the ingredients that I will be using in my one-pot meal. I have some chicken breasts. I cut them up and season it up and have them in the fridge, but I tie it out before I go up on the road. So I'm gonna put some chicken breast in there. Also I'm gonna use a coconut milk. Now I'm gonna mixed vegetable. And I'm gonna put some sausage inside and a little bit of veggie chunks plus rice. And I'm gonna add my little season to make sure for the thing there. So also I'm gonna put in my little soy sauce like this. So let's get into this video. And guys, if you like how I'm gonna prepare this, want to try it and comment and let me know if you love it. It's my first time, but can be your first time too. Anyway, when nobody criticize cooking, I always say everybody do them thing different. But if you want, let me know how you do your one. Sure, but I give it a try. But don't criticize. Thank you. All right, let's get it rolling. So guys, this is the chicken. I'm gonna add some of the soy sauce to it to give it some color. You know. I don't want the chicken look too white. Not chicken breast. When I fry chicken breast, yeah, so let's have a little coloring, you know. Okay, this is well marinated now. Well marinated. Guys, these are the amount of sachets I'm going to use. Just 4 sachets. I'll cut them up fine and come back. Guys, this is it.